I spent the last 20 years studying, teaching, consulting, and doing research in leadership, and still I know that leadership is confusing as hell, as Tom Peters, the father of excellent studies, used to say. During this course, quite likely you will not find a lot of answers, but hopefully you will gain perspective regarding leadership, find your own answers, and know how it affects you and others, and how to be better and more effective working with others. I will accompany you in this leadership journey. We are in the White House, the global center of power and decision making. Quite likely, what happens here can help us understand some of the key variables we believe affects leadership. Leadership is a social concept, something that happens to people interacting with others. Therefore, it depends on the society, Eastern, Western, 19th, 20th, or 21st century. Certain elements might be similar, some others different. Some change with times, others not. Let's try from the beginning understand that it is confusing ourselves and it's a social process. The course is about leadership, not about leaders. On the other hand, especially since the 1990s, leadership became fashionable. A lot of books, theories, videos, training, etc. Everybody knows about leadership. In 2019, the global market for leadership development was approximately 366 US billion dollars, with USA alone representing 160 billion dollars. Seminars in training, in coaching, mentoring, engagement, communication, skills, competence, etc. But most of those programs do not reach the desired outcome. Many top Ivy universities in the USA, after more than 100 years of having the same mission, they changed it recently to include develop leaders. But those universities do not even have a Department of Leadership Studies. A very famous US university declares their mission is to educate citizens and citizen leaders for our society. And who decide who is a leader or not? They are different people. Everybody knows a lot about leadership, and maybe that's also a problem. You, regardless of age, studies, experience, nationality, already have a more or less clear image on your mind regarding leadership. Different from others, but quite likely you did not even study leadership or reflect. You need to unlearn about leadership, and that's difficult, very difficult. What you know about leadership probably is the main problem to know about leadership. Therefore, for this course, I'm asking you to assume three key basic principles. Leadership is confusing as hell. You will not find easy answers, but maybe key questions. Leadership is a social process. Think about leadership, not leaders. Unlearn. Start from scratch. Put away for what you know and be open. Unlearn to learn.